Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error when you're normally installing Windows 11, 10, 8, 8.1 or Windows 7. So this usually occurs, but we have a fix for this. And how to fix this, let's get started. What you have to do is when you're on this error screen, just press and hold Shift plus F10 or Shift Fn and F10. If you have function key on your keyboard available, then just hold Shift Fn and F10. If you don't have a function key, just press and hold Shift plus F10. Once you do this, this will open command prompt behind your error box, and in the command prompt you have to type regedit regedit. What this will do is once you hit enter, this will open registry editor. Here you have to search for H key local machine, just double click on it. It will open more files, just double click on system and then search for setup and double click on setup. Then you have to search for status and double click on status, and then you have to click on child completion and then double click on setup.exe. When you double click it this will open edit dword interface. Here you'll find some number or any digit, just change that to 3. Just type 3 in here and click OK, and then click OK to the error you're seeing here. Once you do this, it will restart your PC and boot up again, and then try installing Windows again. Hopefully this will fix your problem, and if your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.